Setting goals is easy, but actually achieving them, that's the real challenge. In today's video, we're breaking down SMART goals, a powerful way to turn your dreams into reality. Let's dive in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 elements help you set clear, actionable goals that aren't just wishful thinking, but steps towards success. First, be specific. Vague goals get you nowhere. Instead of saying, I want to improve my business, nail down the details. For example, aim to increase your client base by 15% in the next 6 months. Now you've got a target. Next, make it measurable. If you can't measure it, how will you know you're making progress? Track your goal by setting benchmarks, like adding 5 new clients each month. When you see those numbers go up, it keeps you motivated. Keep it achievable. Sure, aim high, but don't set yourself up for failure. If your growth rate is 10% per quarter, aiming for 20% is ambitious, but possible. Find that sweet spot between challenging and doable. Your goals should be relevant. They need to align with your bigger picture. If you're focused on expanding into the tech sector, make sure your goal supports that, like increasing sales in the tech market by 20% this year. And finally, set time-bound targets. Deadlines create urgency and keep you on track. Say, I'll achieve a 15% client base increase by December 31st. And check in monthly to monitor your progress. SMART goals aren't just about what you want to achieve. They're about having a clear plan to get there. By being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you're setting yourself up for success. Ready to make your goals a reality? Let's set SMART goals together.